This is the Geuther factory located in the Miethoek Industrial Park in Binjung. There are 2 office buildings with enough space to allocate 50 indirect staff. Very important in the office is a good mood and always enough coffee. Geuther does their own product development for wooden, metal and wood and metal mixed products. The product ranges from safety gates over high chairs to wooden toys. These can be unfinished, finished in natural paint or in solid color. A big team of designers and product developers brings the furniture to life. There are 2 factories with around 7,500 square meters each. Enough space to house around 200 direct workers on the shop floor. Starting with the cutting area, we are storing roughly 800 cubic meters of beech, pine and rubber wood. As common in the furniture industry, all machines are separate machines, but we have connected them through transportation systems. A semi-automatic OptiCut machine gets the best yield out of the raw timber. All the offcuts get glued together again and being reused as raw material. The pressing of various board sizes definitely increases the raw material utilization. The forming area is a carpentry area that has been rearranged in cells in order to finish one component in a touch-and-go principle. This area has very manual standalone machines that are grouped together in manufacturing cells, but also has very sophisticated CNC machinery. Besides wooden furniture, Geuther also manufactures metal safety gates. These are being cut and punched from standalone machines, but then welded together from automated robots. The wooden components then will go to a finishing area where they receive their first base coat. Various equipment is available from UV roller lines over hand spraying devices up to automated robot spraying machines. In the assembly and packing area, all the products are being attached together before packed into the final carton. A final quality check provides safety that the products have been manufactured in the right way and in the right tolerances. The new finished goods warehouse holds capacity for up to 20 containers before shipping.